What do you think you are, Deegan? Got the star graphics.
Ronnie Mac over here.
Alright, we don't come out as first and second. Bro, bro, bro. Out here we have a pro MX racer. That is the little moto vlog. Hang on. What the Sigma. Anyways, that's it. Really a short little video, only a couple minutes. Wasn't gonna film, but ended up filming. So we're out of here. Night.
I tell her out to a pack. Her best friend told her she better get back. Okay, 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 okay.